Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Y'all, today is a very quick 5-minute craft. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by. I know, I get it. Everyone is busy right now. Time is so precious. So thank you so much for stopping by and spending these few minutes with me. And thank you to everyone who is supporting my channel in a positive way. Y'all, today it's going to be one of those very quick one and done videos. Here's what I'm talking about. We're going to take some pre-made Christmas cards and create a very quick gift card holder, money wallet, whatever you want to call it, and you can still use it to express those Christmas greetings. And here's the one that I made. I'll give you a closer look in just a minute, but y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, y'all, so here's a closer look at our 5-minute make. It actually might not take us 5 minutes at all if I would just be quiet and get on with it. So what I'm using today is I am using 5x7 greeting cards, and I got mine from the Dollar Tree, but Christmas cards and greeting cards are aplenty. And when we open it, we're going to take this greeting card and just turn it into a sweet little gift card holder, or you can put cash in this pocket, completely up to you. You can write your message, then we're going to decorate the outside of the envelope, and we have a beautiful little set. We have our 5x7 greeting card. I have a coordinating piece of 4 7/8 by 6 7/8 inch medium weight cardstock, and I have a 4x4 cut apart. This is going to be so super easy. I have applied adhesive to the back of my 5x7. You can do that with tear tape. I used my Xyron, but adding tape strips to the back will work just as well. We're going to take this, place it down so that we still are able to fold this card. So we're not placing this piece on the fold mark. Then we're going to take this piece, add some glue to 3 sides. Super, super easy. We're going to take it, and I'm just going to place it down like this. You can position yours however you want. Go over that really quick with my bone folder to make sure everything stays nice and stuck. Now I'm just going to bring in a sticker sheet, and I am going to grab the sticker that says Season's Greetings. And y'all, that is it. That is how simple it is for us to take just a regular old greeting card that doesn't have a whole lot going on for it, adding this little bit here. We can write our message here, put our gift card here, put cash there, and we're good. So now we're going to do the envelope. And of course, I'm going to use my sticker sheets. You guys know how I love using sticker sheets. So I am just going to take this because I really want it to play off of that. And I don't want to put it exactly at the bottom. So I'm going to move it up just a little bit. Let me look at this to make sure it's straight. And I'll get that nice and stuck. Then I'm going to save my excess because I'll be able to use that on another project. And then finally, because I have a snowman here, I think I'm going to take this snowman here from my sticker sheet, and I'm going to place him down right there. And then I'm going to use my bone folder just to burnish and make sure that everything is nice and stuck because we don't want anything coming up on this. So that is it, my friends. That is how easy it is for us to take pre-made greeting cards and turn them into gift card holders, cash holders, and we still have a place for the message. So I am going to bring that first one back in. Don't think it took me 5 minutes to do this, and it won't take you 5 minutes to do it. You can probably do a whole box in under 10 minutes, and my box had 12 in it. So you can probably do all 12 in under 10 minutes. If you do it assembly style, super easy to do this. Here's that first one. I think these are just so lovely. So when you look on the inside, this is the message that you get. When you look on the inside of the one that says joy, this is the message that you get. So if you need a gift in a hurry, here you go. This is a fun, quick, and easy way to get that gift in mere minutes. So y'all, I hope that you have enjoyed this super quick project. If you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.